How to fix ChatGPT card declined 2026 full guide. Struggling with a card declined error on ChatGPT. You are not alone, and in this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to fix your payment issues so you can get back to using the latest AI models without any interruptions. Welcome back. It is incredibly frustrating when you are ready to upgrade or renew your Plus subscription and OpenAI rejects your payment. This usually happens because of strict security filters in the Stripe payment gateway or simple bank blocks. Today, we are going through the most effective fixes for 2026 to get your account active again. First, verify that your card supports 3D secure authentication. Most modern banking apps have a toggle for international or online transactions. Make sure these are turned on because OpenAI is a US-based merchant. Also, ensure you have a few extra dollars beyond the subscription price to cover any potential foreign exchange fees or temporary authorization holds. Next, check your connection. If you're using a VPN, turn it off immediately. Stripe often flags payments coming from VPN IP addresses as high risk, leading to an automatic decline. Once the VPN is off, open your browser in incognito or private mode. This clears out old cached data that might be interfering with the checkout page. If those steps do not work, try an alternative payment method. In 2026, using Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Link by Stripe has a significantly higher success rate than typing in card details manually. These methods use pre-verified security tokens that bypass many of the common fraud triggers. For users outside the United States, if your local bank continues to block the charge, consider using a reputable virtual debit card from providers like Wise or Revolut. These cards are specifically designed for international digital subscriptions and are rarely declined by OpenAI. Here is a pro tip to keep your access permanent. Once you get a card to work, go into your billing settings and add a secondary backup payment method. This prevents your account from being downgraded if your primary card expires or has a temporary limit issue in the future. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing errors and keep your ChatGPT access seamless. If this helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more AI troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you or if you are still seeing an error. Thanks for watching.